Hello friends. Today I will tell you about choosing the best city to live in the USA and how to make the right move. The desire to move to a new city is an exciting step, full of opportunities and changes. However, before you start packing your bags, you need to answer the question, which city in the USA is the best for living? Choosing a city. The beginning of the journey, the USA offers a variety of cities with different characters and opportunities. Some prefer the dynamic lifestyle of New York, others dream of making it big in Hollywood and Los Angeles, while some seek tranquility in Portland, Oregon. Before making a decision, define your priorities. If business and cultural scenes are important to you, San Francisco might be a good fit. If you value laid-back living and nature, the mountains of Colorado could be your choice. Preparation for the move, plan and finances. Moving to a new city requires careful preparation. Your first step is to create a detailed plan. Determine the budget for the move, explore housing options, and research the job market in your chosen city. Financial stability is a key factor. Calculate expenses for housing, food, transportation, and other monthly costs. Compare them with your income to ensure you have enough funds to start fresh in a new place. House hunting. Where to feel at home. Choosing housing in a new city is not just a matter of budget, but also about your comfort. Explore different neighborhoods, assess infrastructure, safety, and the availability of educational institutions, if you have children. Renting a property initially is one option. This allows you to explore the city and decide which area you would like to permanently reside in. Employment. Find a job in advance before making the move. Look for a job in the new city. The internet provides many resources for job hunting. Having a job in place beforehand is a guarantee of financial stability in the first few months. Pay attention to the differences in the job market in your chosen city. Some places specialize in the technology sector, others in arts or medicine. Ensure that your professional skills and work experience align with the local job market. Document processing. Step-by-step processing documents is a crucial step in the relocation process. Clarify all necessary documents, such as work permits, social insurance, and driver's licenses. Collect all required paperwork in advance to avoid unnecessary delays in the adaptation process. Conclusion. Moving to a new city in the USA is an exciting adventure. With the right plan, preparation, and mindset, you can quickly integrate into your new life. Choose a city that meets your expectations and follow the steps to the next chapter of your life.